Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Mercedes-Benz prioritized handling and performance with features such as an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10 GB hard drive, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.